Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Bank of America to another bank. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So let's get started with the methods and how you can send money from Bank of America to another bank. So let's get started. So one of the first method is to send through online or mobile banking, which is ACH transfer. So log into our Bank of America online banking or app, then go to the transfer, then select to another bank, then add the recipient bank details, which is the name, account number, and the routing number. Then from there, enter the amount and choose the delivery speed, which is the standard between 1 to 3 days instant if available. Then confirm and submit the transfer. Then here's another method, which is through wire transfer for large or international transfer. So log into the Bank of America or visit a branch, then go to a wire transfer, then enter the recipient's bank details, then enter the amount and review the fee, and confirm and authorize the wire transfer. And that's how you can simply send money from Bank of America to another bank. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.